How to remove your political views from your profile on Android, on VK, on Android or iOS phone. First open VK. Now click on your profile here and then click just 3 points and click edit profile, and once you're here just scroll down and then click beliefs, and here we'll find it. Click on it and then click non-selected and click save, and that's it. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.